Today is a snow day, so it's a good day to be in the garage. I'm working on my BMW X1. This is their smallest SUV they make. It also happens to share the platform with the Mini Clubman and Countryman. They have the exact same engine, transmission, chassis, just slightly different suspension packages on the wheels to make them a little higher or lower. And BMW owns Mini, that's why they can share the platform across those brands. But BMW decided to give the big turbo to their BMW X1, so it has a little more horsepower, a little more get up and go. We're going to be changing out the O2 sensors, and I had a hard time finding someone online showing me where they are, and so that's the whole point of me making this video. I am not a professional mechanic or instructor, just wanted to let you know where they're at, because I thought they would be down under the car as part of the exhaust system, but in fact they are in the engine bay, and we're gonna have to move a few things to get to them, so look forward to that. Here we have the same engine that you'll find again in BMW X1 or Mini Clubman, Mini Countryman, BMW X1, same engine layout. And where we're gonna get is back here. We've got to take out this bar, this little plastic cover thing, this plastic cover, and then this is the cold air intake tube. We have to take all that up and out of the way, and then the O2 sensors will be right below this clean air intake tube. So we got to start taking things out. Quick update, I started pulling back the plastic cover. They have these little screws that are 8mm socket to take out. Then right here, this end of the cold intake tube, that's a 7mm socket to get that up. And then there's a bolt here, that's a number 30 star bolt to try and get it out. So those are the tools you're going to have. Flathead screwdriver is going to come in useful too. But this just pops on and off. Just pull up. There's no screws attached. It just snaps on and snaps off. I don't know. We're going to have to remove this bar now. It looks, I can probably work around it, but after we get this rest of this pipe out, we'll see about that. So that took more doing than I had expected, but we have removed this cold air intake, and I actually found it useful to leave this stabilizer bar in place to lean on while I was trying to get everything unattached. But right here on top, we've got two clip-in brackets. The original manufacturer's equipment, the light gray, is to the O2 sensor that is downstream from the catalytic converter. The black or darker gray is for the O2 sensor that is upstream from the catalytic converter. So again, from the engine, it's on top, behind, within the engine bay, within the firewall. Right here is your downstream, and that here is your upstream. If you ever need to replace your O2 sensors for a BMW X1 or Mini Clubman or Mini Countryman.